First of all, I want to say, GOAT, y'all can kiss my ass. I'm mad. I'm going to tell you why, and I'm going to show y'all why. Now, I've been dealing with GOAT for a long time, and I never had no problem with GOAT. This particular shoe I've been waiting on for a long time, and it finally came in. Now, before the shoe came in, it was a couple of red flags I'm going to tell y'all about. The first red flag, when I got the tracking number, it said it was shipped from Hong Kong. Now, I didn't think too much of it, but I'm like, man, I never seen that before. Shipped from Hong Kong. First thing I'm thinking about is FAKE, you know what I'm saying? Like, man, what the hell going on? Second red flag, DHL was the one gonna deliver the shoe. DHL, I never known DHL to ship anything, from anything ordered from GOAT. All right, when the shoe came in, I was excited. Looked at the box, turned the box upside down, and this is what I see: a Chinese sticker. Never seen that before on none of the Jordans I ordered from GOAT or hit on the raffle or whatever. And this ain't right, because I got two partners that got these same exact shoes and don't have this Chinese sticker. Third red flag. Shoe clean, y'all. I mean, the shoe off the chain, man. I mean, if these are fake, it did a damn good job making these fakes. But the fourth red flag is you got a quality control stamp. Quality control stamp. And again, that ain't supposed to be in there from what I researched and from what I was told. Quality control stamp. Now this is supposed to be in there, your green stamp, but not the quality control stamp. Real quick, I compared these to somebody that hit on the raffle, and this right here, this part's supposed to be a lighter gray. Supposed to be a lighter gray, widow's peak. I don't even think that widow's peak's supposed to be there, but not that thick. All right, let's keep going. Shoe tree look about right, but whenever you take the insole out, it's a stamp. The bottom stamp in blue, you probably can't see it, but it's stamped in blue. That's a red flag. Blue stamp, some numbers right there. Another red flag, what is this right here? What is this? Why I don't have the size, sticker? What is this right here? Another red flag. What is this right here? This blue box. And then it's supposed to say AJ with my size. Why you have a blue box right here? So it's just so many red flags. I'm going to return the shoe. I contacted GOAT, and these shoes got to go. And they talking about, well, we're going to give you GOAT credit. We're not going to refund your money. We're going to give you GOAT credit. But the shoe, y'all, the shoe looks good. It looks good. But I don't know if these real or fake. And I'm going to send them back. I even got a shirt. Look at the shirt. I was excited. I wanted to wear these shoes. But that's it, man. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna send these back, man. GOAT, kiss my ass.